Yes, students, we can write as minus 6 upon 7 multiply 14 upon 30. Yes, students, first we'll convert these two numbers into its lowest term. Now you can see 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30. Because between two rational numbers, sign is multiplication. So 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 40. Now students, we have minus 1 upon 1. Multiply 2 upon 5. Now minus 1 multiplied by 2 is minus 2. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. So students, here your answer is minus 2 upon 5. Multiply these two rational numbers and give result into its lowest term. Minus 2 upon 5 is the lowest term. Okay. Second is question number second. Second is commutative property. Verify commutative property of multiplication of the following pairs of rational numbers. Now students, now your numbers are 4 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 8. Now your question is verify commutative property of multiplication. Yes, friends, first we write these two numbers according to commutative property. Your commutative property is 4 upon 5 multiply minus 7 upon 8. 4 upon 5, commutative property of multiplication. 4 upon 5 multiply minus 7 upon 8 is equal to. Now first we write minus 7 upon 8 multiply 4 upon 5. Now students, multiply these two numbers. Multiply these two numbers. Then multiply these two numbers. The result is same. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, then property is verified. In first step, we will multiply these two numbers. Then multiply these numbers. If result left hand side is equal to right hand side, then commutative property is verified. Clear, students? Next is third question. Verify and name the property. Question number third. First part. Now your statement is 3 upon 5 multiply minus 4 upon 7 multiply minus 8 upon 9 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiply minus 4 upon 7 multiply minus 8 upon 9. Now students, your statement is verify and name the property. To verify this property, first we'll see which property we are verifying. This is an associative property of multiplication. These all properties we already discussed in previous lectures. So this property is an associative property of multiplication. To verify, students, first 3 upon 5 as it is. In first step, we will multiply these two numbers. Like this, 3 upon 5 multiply. Minus 4 multiply minus 8. Minus 32. And 7 multiplied by 9, 63 is equal to. Now solve this part. 3 multiply minus 4. 4 3 are 12 minus 12 upon 5 into 7, 35. Multiply minus 8 upon 9. Now students, in second step, 32 minus 32. Multiply by 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. Minus 9, sorry, here we have plus, minus minus plus. 32 multiplied by 3 is 96. And 63 multiplied by 5, 315. And on right hand side, minus 12, minus 8. 12 8 are 96, minus minus plus 96. And 35 into 9, 35 into 9. Yes, friends, 35. 350. Now you can see left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then property is verified. So this is an associative property of multiplication. Clear, students? Next is find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of any number, that is 12, 1 upon 12. Clear? Next is question number 5th. Your 5th question is, using the appropriate property of operation of rational numbers, evaluate the following. Yes, friends, in first, second, and third question, we will use distributive property of multiplication. In 5th question, we will use distributive property. Yes, students? 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 14, 3 upon 7 common, then use distributive property to solve this part. Clear, students? Next is question number 6. Your 6th question is, value of P, Q, and R are given. Now verify the result. Value of P is minus 8 upon 27, and value of Q is 3 upon 4, and value of R is minus 12 upon 50. Now, students, verify P multiply Q multiply R is equal to P multiply Q multiply R. Now, values of P, Q, and R are already given. Now, verify P multiply Q multiply R is equal to P plus Q multiply R. So, first step is put these values in given equation. Put these values, these 3 values in this. P is minus 8 upon 7. 8 upon 27. Value of P is minus 8 upon 27. Multiply. Value of Q, 3 upon 4. And value of R is minus 12 upon 50 is equal to P minus 8 upon 27. Value of Q is 3 upon 4. And value of R is minus 12 upon 50. Put all these values. Now solve. In first step, we will solve this part. Multiply these 2 numbers. Then in second step, the result which we obtained, multiply by 8 upon 27. The result which we obtained from here is equal to multiply minus 12 upon 50. This is result which we obtained by multiplying these 2 numbers. If our left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we can say this property is proved. Clear, students? Next is 8th question. Is 4 upon 5 is multiplicative inverse of -1 upon 4? Why or why not? Yes, students. First we'll solve part -1 upon 4. Then observe, is this a multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 5 or not? Dear students. Next is question number 9. Using distributive property, find 7 upon 5 multiply -3 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5 plus 5 upon 12. Now your statement is 7 upon 5 multiply -3 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5 plus 5 upon 12. Now use distributive property 7 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. Take as common 7 upon 5. Now here we have -3 upon 12. 7 upon 5 common, and here we have 5 upon 12. Now in next step, first we will add these two numbers. Now solve this part, add these two numbers, then multiply by 7 upon 5. Clear, students? First take 7 upon 5 as a common. 7 upon 5, the common, and here we have -3 upon 12, right? -3 upon 12 as it is, plus 7 upon 5 is common, 5 upon 12. Next step, first we'll solve this part. Add these two rational numbers. The result which we obtain, multiply by 7 upon 5. Clear, students? Yes, students. Next, we'll discuss how we can divide two rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. For this, find the value of 4 upon 9 divide by -5 upon 9. 4 upon 9 divide by -5 upon 9. Now, how we can divide two rational numbers? To divide these numbers, first number as it is. Now division sign convert into multiplication. And reciprocal of this number, reciprocal of -5 upon 9 is -9 upon 5. Now these are cancelled. Here we have 4 upon 1 multiply -1 upon 5. 4 multiply -1 is -4. And 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. So result is -4 upon 5. Clear, students? Next we'll consider one more example. Second part of question first. 4, 5 upon 8 divide by 4, 5 upon 8 divide by -4 upon 9. First we'll solve this part. 8 4 are 32. And 32 plus 5, 37. 37 upon 8 divide by minus 4 upon 9. Now students, divide these numbers. 37 upon 8 as it is. Now division, not into multiplication. Now reciprocal of minus 4 upon 9 is minus 9 upon 4. Now 37 multiplied by 9 and 8 4 are 32. Now multiply these numbers. 63 number is 333 upon 32. Clear, students? Next is second question, true and false statements. Yes, students, these true and false statements we already discussed in previous lectures. So next question is third question. Your third question is, the product of two rational number is minus 11 upon 12. Product of two rational numbers is minus 11 upon 12. If one of them is 4 upon 9, find the other. So first, students, we will write, let the required number. Suppose our required number is x. Let the required number be x. Now, according to your statement, according to your question, the product of two rational numbers means product of minus 11 and 12 and x. Product of two rational number is minus 11 upon 12. If one of them is 2 4 upon 9, one number is 2 4 upon 9. First number 2 4 upon 9 multiply by x. The product of two numbers, product of these two rational numbers is minus 11 upon 12. Product of two rational, according to your question, product of two rational numbers is minus 11 upon 12. Now, here find the value of x. We'll find the value of x. First, you solve this part. 9 2 are 18. 22 upon 9. Multiply by x is equal to minus 11 upon 12. Now shift 22 upon 9. 22 upon 9 on right hand side. Here 22 upon is multiplied, and now in opposite side we will divide. So value of x is minus 11 upon 12 divided by 22 upon. Now students, solve this part and find the value of x. Now solve this part and find the value of x. Clear, students? Next is question number 4. Your fourth question is, by what rational number should 7 upon 12 be multiplied to get the product as 5 upon 14? By what rational number should minus 7 upon 12 be multiplied to get the product as 5 upon 14? Again, we suppose our required number is x. Fourth question, let the required number x. Now, according to your question, By what rational number should 7 upon minus 7 upon 12 multiply by x to get as a product 5 upon 40 according to your statement? Clear, students? Now, we want the value of x. Now shift minus 7 upon 12 on right hand side. X is equal to 5 upon 14 divide by minus 7 upon 12. Now students, divide and find the value of x. Clear, students? Next question is question number 6. Fifth is same as question number 4. So we will discuss next question, that is question number 6. Divide the sum of minus 13 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. Divide the sum of minus 13 upon 8 and 5 upon 12 by their difference. Now, according to each question, divide the sum of 8 upon 3 plus 4 upon 7. Divide the sum of 8 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. But, sorry. Take next question. Question number 6 is, the statement is different. Divide the sum of minus 13 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. Divide the sum of minus 13 upon 8 and 5 upon 12 by their difference. By their difference. Minus 13 upon 8 minus 5 upon 12. Yes, students, in first part, we will solve this part. We will add these two numbers. Then we will subtract these two numbers. The result which we obtained from here, we will divide these two numbers. Clear, students? Next is 7th question. Question number 7. Divide the sum of 8 upon 3, sum of 8 upon 3 and 4 upon 7 by the product of minus 3 upon 7 and 14 upon 9. Divide the sum of 8 upon 3 and 4 upon 7, sum of these two numbers, by the product of minus 3 upon 7 plus 14 upon 9. Yes, friends. Now in first part, we'll solve this part. We'll add these two numbers. Then we multiply these two numbers. The result which we obtain, we will divide these two numbers. Clear, students? Now last question. Last question is, value of P, Q and R is already given. Now verify P is minus 3 upon 2. P is minus 3 upon 2. Q is 4 upon 5. P is minus 3 upon 2. Q is 4 upon 5. And R is minus 7 upon 12. Now verify P divided by Q divided by R is not equal to, the sign of not equal to, is not equal to P divide by Q divide by R. Clear, students? Now, in first step, put these values in this equation. -3/2 divide by 4/5 divide by -7/12 not equal to P -3/2 divide by Q 4/5 divide by -7/12. Yes, students, in first part, we will solve this part. And on right hand side, this part will remove these two brackets. In first part, we will remove these two brackets. The result which we obtained from here, we will divide by -7/12. And here -3/2 as it is. And result which we obtained by solving this, divide by 3/2. Now solve, and these two parts, left hand side the result is not same by solving these two numbers. If left hand side is not equal to right hand side, result is not same, then we can say this statement is verified. Clear, students? Yes, students. Today your homework is revise exercise 1.3 and 1.4 for UT1. Yes, students.